Today I am reviewing the ASUS ROG GM700 gaming desktop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you are looking for a pre-built machine that actually understands what gamers want in 2025, you have probably stumbled across the new ASUS ROG GM700. I've been putting this desktop through its paces for the last 2 weeks, and while it is an absolute beast in terms of raw frames, it is not a perfect machine for every single person. If you want to see the current pricing or check out the exact specs for yourself, you can find the links right below this video. Let's start with the heart of this thing, which is that AMD Ryzen 7 9800X3D processor. If you have been following the hardware space, you know that the X3D chips are the current gold standard for gaming. During my testing, the gaming performance here is undeniably top tier. Whether I was pushing high refresh rates in competitive shooters or maxing out graphical settings in open-world titles, the CPU barely broke a sweat. The cache efficiency is exactly what you would expect, and it makes this desktop feel incredibly snappy in Windows 11. It is a fantastic choice for someone who wants a set-it-and-forget-it gaming experience without having to tweak BIOS settings for 3 hours just to get stable performance. Then there is the Radeon RX 9070 XT. This is the wild card in the build. ASUS has applied their prime OC treatment to this card, and it shows. In terms of pure rasterization performance, this card is a powerhouse. It handles 1440p gaming like it is nothing, and it can definitely hold its own at 4K in most modern titles. However, I have to be honest about the ray tracing performance. While it is improved over previous generations, if your primary goal is maxing out path tracing in the most demanding titles, you are still going to see a performance hit compared to the top-end Green Team offerings. That said, for the vast majority of gamers, the value proposition here is much higher. The AV1 encoding support is also a massive win if you're planning on streaming your gameplay to platforms like Twitch or YouTube. One thing that genuinely surprised me is the thermal management. ASUS has done a great job with the airflow in the GM700 chassis. It is not the loudest desktop I have ever tested, but it is certainly not silent when you are pushing it hard. You are going to hear the fans ramping up during heavy rendering or long gaming sessions. If you are the type of person who needs a dead silent room while you work, you might want to look into tweaking the fan curves in the software, but for most people, the noise profile is perfectly acceptable. I also want to touch on the memory and storage. 32 GB of DDR5 RAM is the new sweet spot for a high-end machine. I had no issues multitasking between a game, a browser with 40 tabs open, and a Discord call running in the background. It handled everything without a stutter. The 2 TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD is also plenty of space for a solid library of games, and the load times are exactly as fast as you would hope for in 2025. It is nice to see them go with a 2 TB drive out of the box instead of forcing you to upgrade immediately, which is a common frustration with pre-builts at this price point. Now, who is this machine actually for? I think the ASUS ROG GM700 is perfect for the gamer who wants a premium, high-performance experience but does not want to deal with the headache of building a custom PC. It is also a great fit for someone who does a mix of gaming and content creation. The AMD synergy between the processor and the GPU feels very stable, and the drivers have been rock solid during my time with the unit. However, there are a few reasons you might want to skip this. If you are a hardcore enthusiast who loves to tinker with custom water cooling or replacing every individual component, you are probably better off building your own rig from scratch. While ASUS uses quality parts, you're paying a premium for the convenience and the ROG branding. Additionally, if your work relies heavily on specific CUDA-accelerated software that requires an NVIDIA GPU, this Radeon-powered machine is obviously not the right tool for your specific workflow. Also, be aware that while the aesthetic is very clean and fits the ROG brand identity, it is definitely a gamer look. If you are hoping for something that blends into a minimalist office environment, you might find the lighting and the angular design of the case a bit aggressive. It is not over the top, but it is certainly not subtle. Overall, the ASUS ROG GM700 is a high-performance, well-balanced machine that delivers on its promises. It is fast, it is stable, and it feels like a cohesive product rather than just a collection of parts thrown into a box. It is not the cheapest way to get these specs, but you are paying for the reliability of the ASUS ecosystem and the peace of mind that comes with a pre-built warranty. If you think this might be the right upgrade for your setup, definitely check out the links below to see the latest pricing and availability. I think for the right user, this is going to be a daily driver that lasts for several years without needing a single upgrade. If you have any specific questions about how this handles a certain game or application, leave a comment down below, and I will do my best to answer based on my experience with the system.